Malunggay can be used to treat a number of illnesses. Malunggay leaves are good for headache, bleeding from a shallow cut, bacterial skin complaints, anti-inflammatory gastric ulcers, diarrhea, and malnutrition. Health benefits of malunggay. Helps heal ulcers. As anti-cancer compound, phytochemicals that help stop the growth of cancer cells. Help normalize blood sugar level, therefore preventing diabetes. Help restore skin condition, control blood pressure, relieve headache and migraines. Improve digestion. Anti-tumor. Reduce wrinkles. Anti-UTI. Stimulate hair growth. Your liver is responsible for filtering out toxin and waste in your food, as well as assisting your gallbladder in bile production. Malunggay also promotes the production of glutathione, the detox antioxidant that counters free radicals, causing stress to your liver. Malunggay also contains calcium and phosphorus, which help keep bones healthy and strong. Along with its anti-inflammatory properties, malunggay extract might help to treat conditions such as arthritis and may also heal damaged bones. Now you already know about malunggay health benefits. I will teach you how to make malunggay juice. Malunggay juice. 1/2 cup malunggay leaves, 1 glass of water, 1 piece lemon, 1 tablespoon sugar or honey, blender. Put 1/2 cup of malunggay leaves in a blender. Put 1 glass of water. Add 1 lemon. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey. Blend 1 to 2 minutes. Put in a glass. Use a strainer so smooth to drink. Drink this malunggay juice every 30 minutes before breakfast or before go to bed. After a week, you can see better result. Malunggay juice. Sarap. Yan nga mga guys, kung di pa kayo updated sa akin, click niyo na ang subscribe at notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. And this is your Gelson TV, and I'm signing out.